Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a customer support space on ClickUp. So if you're new to ClickUp, looking for a customer support space that you can manage your support to your customers, then this is a perfect video for you because I'm going to show you how to create this for free within a couple of seconds. Yes, you get it right. Very easy and very simple. So once you're here, just simply go ahead and click on the new space under your home section here on ClickUp, and you want to go ahead and click and use template on the lower left hand side. Now you want to go ahead and type in customer support in the search at the top there, and you should find a customer support template. You want to click on that and click and use. Right, you can name this whatever it is. So whatever your company name is, let's call this one ACC support. Just making up a name right there. And you can just go ahead and ensure that you include everything. You don't want to include archive content or tasks, so you can leave that with no, and just go ahead and click and use template. You may need to wait a few minutes for this to fully load up into your ClickUp dashboard, guys, because depending on how complex that space is, how many tasks are there, how many templates it will load up, you will just need to be a little bit patient and wait for it to fully load. As you can see in my case, it's trying to load all those different tables and tasks and whatever it is that it needs to load up. It will need a bit of time to quickly load all of that. So just be patient right there and wait for it to load. Keep in mind that these templates are fully customizable as well, guys, and so that you can easily customize any part, any section of these templates. Even if you go to a different template and you find something, you can go ahead and save that as a template, and you can also include it into this dashboard as you wish to. So now that you can see that the ACC support is load, guys, you can scroll down and you can see what it contains. If it is still loading a few sections, as you can see here, and you just need to go ahead and start using this template. Now, as you can see right here, it shows docs, it shows bookmarks, it shows recent. If you scroll down, there's a folder section as well, support requests, and there's also a list and resources as well, as you can scroll on. So there's actually no cards or nothing there, but you can click and get started to kind of see how to use this. So if you click down right here, that the section that says support request, that's going to open up and show you a lot more things that's going to make more sense for you so that you can see a lot. And they also have a get started guide. So I recommend that you first have a look around, see what it looks like, and then read the get started guide so that you can learn how to actually use it. So as you can see right here, this is the support request. You scroll down, there's two requests right here, and it's currently showing the progress of those requests and so forth. The task assigned by resources, you can also click on those different requests as well. As you can see, tier 1 request, tier 2 request, and so forth, and you'll be able to actually see what is there in them. So I'm going to click on the get started guide right here and just kind of show you what it looks like. It contains content about actually what it is, how to use it, and it's going to be a good place for you to actually start so that you can manipulate it, you can change what you want, you can understand how to work with it, and so forth, right? So this is everything, the flow. It shows you every single thing that you need to know about using this customer support dashboard here. And that's how easy it is, guys. As I said, you can change any and everything within it. You don't have to limit to what they give to you. You can add to it, you can remove from it at any point in time that you want to change something. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.